Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Arvind and welcome to our channel. Those are new, I want to tell you we are talking about class 10th information technology, and this time we are discussing chapter database management system. And in this chapter we have covered a lot of topic, and we have talked about a lot of other topics and chapter as well. So getting access to all the chapter, what you have to do, you go to this channel and there is one playlist, class 10th information technology, and there all videos are available. You can access them. And for getting a notes, you have to go to google.com and there you search your class 10th information technologies, any topic, for example creating table in OpenOffice by Arvind C class, or you can search what is a communication by Arvind C class, or even you just type our channel name Arvind C class and it will give you a link. Just you click the link, it will take you to our website, and from there you go to our class 10th information technology, and there chapter wise all the notes are available. And for getting the latest update on a YouTube, on a blog, so you subscribe and like this channel so that in future all the coming videos you get a notification about it. And now let me talk about today's topic. As you know, in a database there are 4 components: table and query. About it we have already discussed, and now 2 important topics are left, which are report and form. So today we will cover these topics. After that, this OpenOffice base is clear. So at the end of this video, what we will understand what is a report and what is a form. And stay with us, and without wasting time, let me dive into this topic. Earlier we have talked about table and query, and now we will talk about form. So we discuss what is a form. For example, we fill a school admission form. So what we do, we enter our information in a form. So form is actually used to give information to your school or to your offices. And in the same way, in a database we enter information. Well, I want to tell you one thing. In a database we can enter information in a 2 way. First one is using a table. That is called direct way. We open up the table and enter information in your table, that we have discussed earlier. So if you haven't seen, I will leave their link, you can watch it again. And the second, come to another point, and the second way of designing and entering information is using a form. So in a database it provides us one method where we can design a form, and user can enter their information in an interactive way. And in a form we get a lot of options also. For example, we can enter information, we can modify information, as well as we can delete information. So let me see on a screen how we can enter information. So first of all, you need to open up your OpenOffice, and there you will see 4 components, and their first component is table, query, form and report. And we will choose our form component because we are talking about here form. And after selecting form component, we will go to your wizard option, and a new dialog box appears here. And after selecting the dialog box, we need to select the multiple tables. And in a database we have a lot of tables, so we can enter information in a multiple table with the help of form. So after selecting tables and field name, so we need to enter next button. After selecting next button, we can arrange our data in ascending order and descending order. And after selecting all the options there. So next we need to set the layout. It provides us lot of layout, so any layout which is good for our need, so we can choose any layout. And after selecting layout, it asks you what kind of a permission you want to give user. For example, user can delete data, or user can only enter record. So according to your need, you can give a permission to your user. After that, finish next button, and next it will ask you give the form name, and give your form name, and your form is ready. And now you can use your form, and you can enter information, you can delete your information, and you can update your information. And whatever information you enters in a form, and it saves in your table that is designed in your database. So this way you understood how we can use a form in a database. Just now we understood how we can use a form. And what is the use of a form in a database? It is very helpful to enter a record. So now let me talk about what is a report. So before talking about report, I want to give a direct example. For example, after giving board exams, you want to see your results. So what we will do? We will go to our official website, and there we will enter our roll number. And after entering the roll number, we get our result in a printable format. There all the information is given in a very presentable name. For example, your name, your school name, all subjects number in a column wise, then total, then percentage, entry mark, signature, everything is given there. So you can take a printout of your report card for 11th class admission. So here what happening? Actually your record is arranged in a printable format. In the same way, what happens, in a database we have a lot of records and saved in your database, but we want to take a record of particular student in a presentable way so that we can take a printout. So this report component help us to take a printout of a records. So let me see on a screen and see how we can use it. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open up our OpenOffice. There we see 4 components as usual, and we will hit the report component, and after selecting the report components, we will see their options, and we will choose here wizard option. And after selecting the option, and it opens up new window, and there we need to select the tables. As you know, in a database we have a lot of tables, so we can select the fields from multiple tables. And after selecting all the fields which are required in a multiple table, you will see behind a report card is generating, a report is generating. And after selecting table as well as a field, it will ask you to choose the layout. So you can design, you can set your layout, so how your printout will look like. And after selecting all the options, and you have to press that finish button, and your report is ready. And now you can take a printout of it, and you have a hard copy of your record. And this is the most important component. And now we have discussed how we can design a report. So now you saw how we can use a report in a component, and it is very important. Now we have understood what is a form and what is a report. Now it is a question time. So I think you all have understood about these two topics, and now one question for you. And the question is, in which way we can enter a record in a database. And you have to write this answer. It's a 2-word answer in a comment box. I will check how many students write this answer. And for all topics notes, what you have to do, go to your description. I will leave there link of this topic, and in a description box I will leave also link of all the chapters, and you can visit there and you can access all the links. As you know, your database management system, this chapter is very important. You will see two longest type question from this chapter, and in this chapter they have talked about two software, OpenOffice base, that we have covered today, and in the coming videos we will talk about MySQL. And SQL is a command based. There are two type of a command, DDL, data definition language, and data manipulation language. So stay with us and watch all the videos regularly. And you can also like and subscribe this channel so that you get updated about the coming videos. And your one like and one subscription is just a fuel for this channel. And next time with a new video I will come once again. Till then, bye bye.